A brief history of Kilcash Castle and Church, situated in County Tipperary, Ireland, offer a captivating glimpse into Ireland's historical landscape. The origins of Kilcash Castle trace back to the late 16th century. It was originally built by the Butler family, one of the most prominent Anglo-Norman dynasties in Ireland. The castle's initial construction was likely initiated by Sir Richard Butler, 1st Viscount Mountgarrett, around 1580. It served both as a defensive stronghold and a residence, exemplifying the fortified tower house architecture typical of the period. Kilcash Castle became closely associated with Lady Margaret Butler, the widow of Sir Richard Butler's grandson, Richard Butler of Kilcash. Lady Margaret played a significant role in the castle's history during the late 17th and early 18th centuries. Her tenure at the castle is often romanticised due to her reputed hospitality and the cultural patronage she extended to poets and musicians. The castle's most famous historical moment came during the Williamite War, 1688-1691, when it was besieged by Williamite forces. Despite the conflict, the castle remained relatively intact, preserving its medieval and early modern architectural features. Adjacent to Kilcash Castle is Kilcash Church, which adds another layer of historical depth to the site. The church, dedicated to St. John the Baptist, dates back to the early medieval period. It was extensively remodeled in the 16th century, contemporaneous with the construction of the castle. The church served as a spiritual hub for the Butler family and the local community. Notably, it contains several Butler family tombs, including that of Lady Margaret Butler, further cementing the site's connection to the family's legacy. Kilcash Castle and Church fell into decline by the 18th century as the Butler family's influence waned and they relocated to other properties. The castle was gradually abandoned, leading to its eventual ruin. Despite its deteriorated state, the castle remains a significant historical and architectural landmark. In recent years, conservation efforts have been undertaken to preserve the site, reflecting its cultural and historical importance. The historical significance of Kilcash is also immortalized in Irish literature and folklore. The ballad Kilcash, written in the 18th century, laments the decline of the castle and its once vibrant cultural milieu. This song, still popular in Ireland, underscores the emotional and cultural resonance Kilcash holds in Irish memory. Today, Kilcash Castle and Church attract visitors who are drawn to their rich historical narrative and picturesque setting. They stand as a testament to the Butler family's legacy and the broader historical currents that have shaped Ireland. Their stories of resilience, cultural patronage, and historical significance continue to captivate and inspire, offering a tangible connection to Ireland's storied past. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. It would help my channel in the algorithm. Thank you.